Wait. 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 So we're gonna be playing Nerf guns today with the dude. Just a little bit, not all day. Mom's even playing. You see the mom in there with her Nerf gun and her inhaler. And Cupcake's playing. Well, that's quite a bazooka you have there, mountain girl. Meow. Look at Mom. She's got the best guns.
I do have the best.
Except I have one that has two, so I'm just as good as you, but faster. But faster.
This is an automatic gun. So.
Yeah, it's an automatic gun, but how many bullets you got?
12.
4?
12.
Doesn't look like 12 in the thing.
Well, it goes halfway. It goes all the way to here, so.
Oh. Where's the dude? Why are we standing around?
I don't know.
He bagged and bagged and bagged.
Dude,
I'm gonna play Nerf gun. I'm gonna play Nerf gun. I'm gonna play Nerf gun. I'm gonna play Nerf. Stop with that. I'll shoot you in the face. I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
Oh, really?
Yeah, don't even start. I'll shoot you in the face. Alright, I'm gonna shoot you right there.
You are?
I'm right there.
Maybe miss.
I bet I don't. But there's a movie like this.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, oh my god.
Shoot that many guns.
Dude, you can't even run with.
I got shoes. Sorry.
Yeah, you need shoes. Oh.
No!
Ah! Hey, back up.
This gun isn't shooting!
It does. You gotta hold it, power it up. You gotta hold the other. Ow! Haha! Prophecy! Ah! 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 Oh! Haha! You get your one shot from the hip. Haha! Haha! Oh! Oh! Ha! Here goes Mom. Run, run, run! Mom just shot the ground. Yeah. Oops, wasted bullet, wasted bullet. I'll take that bullet. Ha ha! Oh! Oh. Ah. I own the bullet field. Maybe. Oh, Mom. Aha. Oh. What are you doing, dude? They're jammed in your face. What's up, Cupcake? You and your droopy gun.
The Star Wars gun sucks.
Yep. Ah!
My gun's not working.
Ooh. It's a lame excuse.
It won't shoot.
It looks like it's shooting just fine, ma'am. It wasn't. I only need one gun.
I have the sucky gun.
The Flip Fury. I have Flip Fury. Flip Fury!
I have the sucky gun. It's amazing.
Yeah, you do have a sucky gun. You know, there's guns right there you can just change over to.
Yeah, but those guns suck too.
No, they don't.
Yep.
Those are the best second guns, better than this. This is the best gun. Those are second best guns. We're playing teams. Me and Cupcake against the dude and Mom. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is our area. We will defend it.
Yes.
They will come to us and we'll shoot them in the face hole.
Okay.
All right.
If these guns work.
It'll work.
Okay.
Wait. 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 You suck at shooting.
I do.
Dude. You will miss a second time. I know it. Oh, cheat machine. Ah! Ha ha! Ha ha! Check that out. It went right through that leaf. That's the back end of a bullet. Someone shot at Mom. Went right through that leaf of the rhododendron bush. It's hanging out. That's pretty cool. Man down. Man down. Man down. Dude, this is why we don't run on wet grass, man.
Plus, why are we in our neighbor's yard?
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh, you slid good.
He slid and fell on the concrete.
You okay? You can stand up? Jump up, jump around. There you go.
She stole my gun.
I know.
That's what you get for leaving laying around like that.
Hey,
Ow!
hey, hey. There's his favorite gun right there. Wait, he slid really good there.
Yeah.
Look at that slide mark.
Slide, fell on the concrete, hit his hip.
He's coming around the backside. You know that, Cupcakes.
I know.